Welcome to Mannheim, where you have some huge estate lots, but still that convenience to the city. Super close to the Expressway, super close to shopping. We have an 80 by 185 foot lot here, which means we have plenty of space to spare, plus some fresh country air. Come on in. This is 258 Woodridge. And that feeling of openness is echoed in here on the main entry, where immediately you see a ton of updates. You're gonna love this home. This traditional style 2,400 square foot family home, 4 bedrooms no less, has those formal spaces that I'm sure you would like, starting with the dining room and then emerging from the office or what could be a living room into this granite kitchen with tons of natural light galore, plus also the fantastic breakfast area. So this is a great place to cozy up for your morning coffee, but when you have spaces to spare, why not go there? Just looking into that open, vaulted family room. I was excited to show you the yard, but we also have time to spare, so why don't we go upstairs? Nothing like some great updates with beautiful light shining throughout in this home. Let's enter into the primary suite. Plenty of spaces to spare here in the primary suite, with vaulted details and coffered details that are also echoed into that beautiful hotel style ensuite. Wow. And down the hall, there's plenty of spaces to spare for your friends and family that care to visit, with 3 more large bedrooms and a wonderfully renovated main bath. If you feel like relaxing, feel free to do it down here in the finished basement. And if you feel like working out, there's some spaces to spare back there. As I jump through the mudroom to head out to the rear yard, you'll notice there's so much space to spare that there's even a side yard bigger than most big yards today. Now the spaces to spare definitely continue in this rear yard with not 1, but 2 decks, also with double awnings as well. Now there's tons of space in this backyard, all landscaped, and a pond is nice, but who also doesn't want to jump in the water and enjoy that pool as well? Well, you have it all here, folks. Here's another look back. I'm going to let you watch some gorgeous drone footage. This one owner home has updates galore that I'm sure you will adore, and plenty of spaces to spare. I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.